Today I'm camping out in the woods, and for once it's snowing, during our great Pennsylvania winter. The snow was coming down earlier, so we got a good few inches on the ground. I'm here with my buddy, and my other buddy will be joining us soon. We're gonna sleep in the snow under some good shelters, make a fire, cook up some food, and we're gonna see how long we can survive. Yeah. So as you can see, I went with a hammock shelter tonight. Hammocks are really simple and easy to set up. I have a lot of experience with them. I also put an underquilt underneath to keep me extra nice and toasty, and I will be sleeping with a 0-degree sleeping bag. But for now, since our shelter is set up, we're gonna go grab some more firewood, keep us warm. So as you can see here, we're camping next to a swampland. It's got some critters in it. It also has beavers. So when we're looking for trees, you might even see some leftover for beaver marks right here. They were gnawing at this one, but then they gave up. This is pretty far from their dam. I would knock this one over here because it looks pretty good right here. But once you get up here and you look underneath the bark, it's actually pretty rotten. So we don't want this kind of tree for the fire. So we're just gonna kind of look around. I'm hauling this out of here, Alright, that's good enough video. going to see sunset right now. We're gonna cross the beaver dam to get there. This is what it is. It's like it's literally a bridge. Except if the bridge was built by beavers.
Beaver was right here.
What?
There's a beaver that was right here.
Maybe.
There was, you can tell by the...
Oh, by the tracks, the beaver tracks. Look at those.
That was all the way right here.
All the way
You
down.
can also see where they swim when the water is...
Yeah, they like to swim up in the water. Do like they're swimming, they're beavers. We're gonna see the sunset. They must be this up. Sunset. Oh, somebody. Oh, look at this. We got one more blessing tonight on top of the sunset. Look at the moon. The moon is big and bright tonight. We got a whole half moon. Beautiful.
It's amazing.
So after collecting a little bit of wood, we got the fire started. Alright, now it's time to make dinner. So for dinner, I have a few items. I also got some mountain meals. They're pretty good and easy to make. You just need some warm water.
Yeah, that's mine. Now they're gonna move this damn fire over there. Yeah. Over there?
Alright guys, it's getting late now. We're gonna go to sleep. Get some good rest in my sleeping bag. Good night.